Okay. Well, hopefully I got most of the lesson on the other half and I got my hilarious jokes. So, okay. So, what about from the left-hand side, right? Then I'd say the limit as x approaches 2 negative of f of x is 5 times 2 minus 5, also 5, right? Okay, something that some of you guys might think, oh, well, Summers, I just wrote in words, both sides are the same. That's not the same thing. It's not addressing this in a formal way, right? So writing the words both sides are the same without actually showing the notation that both sides are the same, right? Don't you agree algebraically this question is way easier than stuff we did yesterday, last class, right? So if you're getting these wrong, it's almost always a lazy thing. Sorry, but that's the case, right? It's because I don't feel like writing it out.
And they'll mark you wrong.
Absolutely. Because they don't want just answers, which is actually usually better a good thing. They want you to make sure you understand the thinking. So one thing that will be different about this AP test than other ones is lots of free response questions have parts A, B, C, D. Let's say you butcher part A. But if you apply that wrong number correctly in parts B, C, and D, you can still get full points on B, C, and D. That's why they take so long to grade. You don't get your answers back till July, because they actually go through and make sure you know what you're doing. If you get A wrong, they're not just gonna stop grading. Does that make sense? That's why it's way more important for me to understand your thinking and you understand the whys than the number. That's why I don't care if you rationalize your denominators, right? We're just happy if you can get close to an answer. I wanna know the thinking of it. Does that make sense? Okay. I'm not done yet though, right? Have I addressed all of the conditions? I haven't addressed this. Because what if it's a whole, right? Don't I have some where the limit from both sides